Okay guys, welcome to a new video. Today, or this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. I decided not to do like a whole video with my eyebrows and my eye makeup and my lips. I'll just do that on another video. So this is my update. This is gonna be like my third video. One is privated and the other has 1K views, which I'm kind of proud of. But I don't know what changed, but I feel like my eyebrow shape changed. That's basically it, but the rest is kind of like the same, but I use more concealer. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we'll start doing my eyebrows. Okay guys, so I zoomed you guys in, and basically my products that I use is kind of like the same thing in my other videos, but yeah. But like sometimes I change it up a bit and I use like some products. So what I use basically is Anastasia Beverly Hills, the dip brow pomade, which is I use dark brown, and I use this brush, 7B brush. It's really old, but I still use it, and that's like the product that I use sometimes, or most of the time. And this is the eyebrow that I use sometimes. It's really good. It has this side, and it has a microblade part, so you're more precise. And this one is not that dark compared to this. It's kind of, I mean, it's like dark brown, but it's not that dark, but it's still good. And that's like basically it. But sometimes I use powder. Yesterday I used powder, but that's like barely. So yeah, so let's get started. So what I do is I grab a towel, not a towel, a tissue, so I can like pinch it so I can make it thinner like the brush, and I get the dip. Girl, my English is bad, so don't even. But I get the dip brow and I just go like this. Girl, I can't do this. I do that. And then we'll start. So first of all, there's two types of eyebrows that I do. I'm gonna do one on this one, and I'm gonna do one on this side. Like different, you know what I mean? But this one, I'm gonna do the one that I started doing because I miss that kind of eyebrow. But yeah, it's like a bold eyebrow, I guess. And the second one is gonna be kind of natural, but not. But yeah. So what I do first is I start right here. And then now I brush my hairs down like this. And I take my product. I mean, actually, first I pinch it. Girl, it wasn't even showing. I'm so damn sorry. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. I'm so sorry. Like that. And I blend it. Not blend it, I fill it in. That's the third step. I fill it in. And I do some product over here in a corner, like just a little bit. I put more product over here so I can deepen the stuff. So that's basically kind of it, like that. And I take my concealer, and I don't know, like I take the darker one, which is the medium peach, if I just want to do my base, I guess. I mean, that's what I do all the time, but I put like this much. yeah, it's kind of a lot, but it's fine. And what I use to carve my eyebrows is this brush. I don't know where it's from, but I stole it from my mom. Not stole it, but I took it from her because she wasn't using it, which is this brush. I don't know, I don't really know what it is, but it's really good because look how thin it is. Yeah, it's really thin, girl. So now I carve my eyebrows with it. Sorry, I had to delete videos because I don't have space, but let's continue. And yeah, that's basically that one. And this side, honestly, I'm gonna powder it because I do not like how it slides. So I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder. It's not from Anastasia Beverly Hills because the other video I accidentally put Anastasia Beverly Hill. Okay, now I gotta face the bad side of my eyebrow. But so what I do is I brush my hairs up, get my product, and I line the bottom first. This brow, I mean, I don't do anymore, but I mean, whatever. But I like just I don't line it like this, you know what I mean? I just that, and I fill it in. But see right here, I just like go like this, you know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it, but I just do that. And then get my product. Do you guys hate it when your eyebrow hairs like fall out when you take off your eyebrows? Because I do. That's what happens. That happens to me, girl. I don't know. I can't stand my language, my English right now. I really can't. Like, it's so bad. But basically, I do the same thing when I conceal the eyebrows. Like, if I'm wearing full face makeup right now, I'm just doing my eyebrows because I can. But I just conceal that. But if I'm doing like full face, I'm probably gonna clean it, maybe not. If I'm not satisfied with it, like this right here, I can clean. You get the motherfucking ooh, not me swearing. Okay, now let's carve these eyebrows. Oh, I now remember. I was gonna say, I do my eyebrows way faster now. Not way faster, but kind of faster than before. Before I used to take like damn girl, it used to take me like 30 minutes. 30 to freaking 45 minutes. And that's embarrassing. It's like literally only eyebrows. Like, girl, what are you doing? You know? But like, this is basically it. I tried making them even, but I don't know if they're even. Sorry. I had to delete more videos because it's my storage. But what I was saying is I try to make them even. I just try. What I do to make them, or try to make them even, is I look at the mirror like straight. You know what I mean? I look at it straight. As you can see, this eyebrow is way longer, I guess. I think so. So let me try and make it even. Okay, I tried making them even, but I don't know. But as you can see, it's really there's like really there's a difference, I guess. As you can see, kind of natural, bold, natural, bold. But yeah, that's basically it. Don't mind my sweating. Girl, I already told you in the last episode, not episode. Girl, this is not a TV show. But I already told you in the last video that I'm a hot girl, you know? I'm a city girl too, but whatever. But yeah, that's basically how I do my eyebrows. And basically, okay, the last thing is I don't do this often, but I do it when I do full face of makeup. And I don't know, like full face of makeup with lashes and stuff. But I take my this is from Elf, and it's clear brow and lash mascara. I take the brush, I take the brow side and I just set it, you know? By the way, I'm so sorry for the like background, but you see the difference, girl? You see the motherfucking difference? It's basically it. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video where I show you guys how I do my eye makeup and all that. And yeah, I'm gonna go eat lunch now and go to class, cause girl, I need to go to class. And girl, shh, don't tell my parents or my sister. My sister's probably gonna watch this, but my grades need to go up. But we don't need to talk about that. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. You guys better give me views and likes and follow my TikTok. All social media is gonna be down below. And yeah, bye.